Ever felt like you're fighting a losing battle with your insurance company? You pay your premiums diligently, month after month, year after year. You trust that when disaster strikes, they'll be there for you. But what happens when they're not? What happens when your legitimate claim is unfairly rejected, endlessly delayed, or the settlement offered is just a fraction of what you deserve? It's a frustrating, stressful, and incredibly isolating experience. You might feel powerless, like you're up against a giant corporation with unlimited resources. But I'm here to tell you that you're not alone, and you have more power than you think. There's a secret weapon that many policyholders don't even know exists. It's an independent, powerful ally that can level the playing field. I'm talking about the Council for Insurance Ombudsman. Think of them as a neutral referee in your dispute with the insurance company. They are not on the insurer's side. They are here to ensure you are treated fairly according to the terms of your policy and the law. Their entire purpose is to resolve disputes between you and your insurer, and they do it without costing you a single penny. So, how does it work? Let us say your health insurance claim for a hospital stay was denied for a reason that seems completely unfair. Or maybe your car insurance company is dragging its feet for months after an accident, leaving you without a vehicle and without answers. Or perhaps the compensation for your damaged home is far below the actual cost of repairs. These are the exact scenarios where the Ombudsman steps in before you can approach them. You generally need to have tried to resolve the issue with your insurer's internal grievance department first. Give them a fair chance, usually about 30 days, to sort it out. If they fail to respond, or if their response is unsatisfactory, that's your green light. You can then file a complaint with the Insurance Ombudsman. The process is straightforward. You can submit your complaint online through their website, or even in writing. You'll need to provide all the details of your case, your policy information, the nature of your claim, your correspondence with the insurer, and why you believe you've been treated unfairly. Be thorough, be clear, and provide all the supporting documents you have. Once your complaint is registered, the Ombudsman will review the case from both sides. They'll look at your evidence and the insurer's justification. Here's the best part. The Ombudsman's decisions are binding on the insurance company. If they rule in your favor and say the insurer must pay your claim, the insurer has to do it. They have no choice. However, the decision is not binding on you. If you're not satisfied with the Ombudsman's decision, you still have the right to pursue other legal avenues, like going to court. This system gives you a free, fair shot at justice without any risk. It's a powerful tool designed to protect you, the consumer. Let's walk through a few examples. Imagine a person named Sarah whose claim for a critical illness was rejected. Her insurer said her condition wasn't covered under a specific clause. Sarah was devastated. She approached the Ombudsman, who examined her policy and medical records. The Ombudsman found the insurer's interpretation of the clause was overly strict and unreasonable. They ordered the company to pay Sarah's full claim amount. This decision changed her life, allowing her to get the treatment she needed without financial ruin. Or consider David, whose shop was flooded. His insurer offered a settlement that wouldn't even cover half the cost of the damages. He filed a complaint, and the Ombudsman appointed a surveyor who found the insurer's assessment was flawed. The Ombudsman directed the company to pay a much higher, fairer amount, enabling David to rebuild his business. These aren't just stories, they are real outcomes for people who knew their rights. So, the next time you feel like your insurer is giving you the runaround, remember the Insurance Ombudsman. Don't let a rejection letter be the final word. Don't give up. You have an advocate. Save their website, know the process, and be prepared to fight for what you're owed. This knowledge is your power. It turns a one-sided fight into a fair negotiation. I hope this information empowers you and gives you the confidence to stand up for your rights. Dealing with insurance issues can be tough, but you don't have to do it alone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more inside tips on navigating the world of insurance. Thank you for watching, and stay informed.